Have you been on the YouTube space for the past 1 year and you find that you are not making any headway? Well, you are not alone in that rut. I find myself in similar situation. I created my YouTube channel last year, mid last year, without any knowledge of what I was doing. Just rushing to create a channel and started uploading things haphazardly. No research, nothing done, just created a channel using the YouTube app to post, not knowing that I was just wasting my time. I find myself in similar situation as you are now, you watching me now. You are in that situation now. I eventually abandoned it and went to other ventures. It was this year, mid this year again, I came back. After 1 year, I came back again to revive it, thinking I can revive it. And I started posting. And what I was doing, I was all doing wrong things. Posting random videos. Any topic, whatever I say in other platform I have, other social network, media network, I import them to YouTube. Things not related to the niche. First of all, I didn't have any niche. I was just posting random things. Now, if you find yourself in a similar situation where you are in the right place now, as you are hearing me now, I'm telling you from my own personal experience so that you can do the right thing now. Eventually, I stumbled on in a quest to know more. I stumbled on some people that were telling you, a particular lady was talking about, abandon your old channel and create a new one, start afresh. And that is what I am doing now. I'm just starting. This is the first video in my new channel. I created a new channel 2 days ago. And this is the first topic to share my experience. If you have passed through that experience, you are not alone. So what you need to do now is to leave that old channel and start afresh. So your meeting me here is not by accident. It's for you to know what to do. If you have been stuck in that rut of not making headway. So as you have come now, as you have seen me, this is Rap Tutorials. It's a channel that is meant for tutorial purposes, lecturing people, telling people what to do and how to make progress. That is my niche, that is my flair. I am a teacher, I'm a lecturer. So it is my flair, it is my area of specialty. So before you do that, before you open that new channel, go and make research. Find out what you have flair for. What is your niche? That is what we call niche, it is sector. Don't just post any random video. Posting random video and coming to your channel, it will not go anywhere. You'll be stuck in the rut, which I found myself. So get a niche. What are you good at? Is it comedy? Is it teaching, just like this, educational? Or is it online marketing, making money online? Or what are you good at? That is your niche. Is it cooking? Is it vlogging? Telling people about your daily activity? That is your niche. Then zero in on that. And then start your project. That is how to be optimized in YouTube. Because the algorithm will not know where you belong to if you are posting random videos, just like I was doing previously. That is number one. Number two, go and study YouTube policies. Don't just go and create channel for creating sake, as many people did. And many are still doing that mistake. And eventually they get strike or their channel deleted, they make one mistake and they are wondering what happened. Or their videos are not going anywhere, they are stuck. So the second thing you should do, go and study YouTube policies. Very, very important. I took my time to study it before creating that channel. Study what they want, what they've told you to do, what not to do. Study very well and then create your channel. we'll come to the aspect of creating channel. But this one is to tell you that if you have been found, if you found yourself in that rut of being stuck to a spot, having been on the YouTube space for about a year, or even more than 1 year, they are not yet monetized because they are not doing the right thing. So the best thing to do now is leave that old channel or delete it entirely. Yes, when I went through the YouTube policy, they say you can delete a channel, and they showed the procedure of deleting your channel. It's allowed. You delete your channel, you start afresh. Or if you don't want to delete it, you leave it aside, start a new one afresh. And then find out the niche where you belong, where you can function. Very, very important. So if you have just joined me now, you can just please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share to your friends. Very, very important to encourage me also. I am just starting at ground zero. No subscriber, no view, no like, and I'm happy about it because I found my niche. And join me, let us build a community together and then move forward. A lot of things, a lot of tips. This my 1 year plus on YouTube channel, I've gathered a lot of experiences. And there are a lot of things I'm going to share with you as we go along. I have other things also I'm going to share with you, how to make money online and all those things. They're also part of my tutorials. I've gotten a lot of them. So that is it. Take time, open this, create this channel, and then start. Find out people who are doing similar things, understudy them, see how they are doing it. Don't just say because you heard that you should open a channel, create a channel, you just create a channel like that. No. You know, in my journey last time, I was posting a lot of shorts. I got over 4,000 watch hours. I was happy, thinking that I will soon be monetized. But the subscription level was very low. But I've gotten over 4,000 watch hours. What happened? It was through shorts. And those are not going to count for me. Because it's your watch hour from the long form video that the algorithm recognized. So that was my mistake. So now I've started to correct everything. I've just opened this new channel and I'm in my niche and I'm happy about it. And as you have seen me now, join me together, subscribe to this channel, and then like and share. Let's build a community together. Let's share together. Let's learn from one another. You can share your experience with me also after watching this, and we talk together, we communicate and see how we can build up. So that is my experience. That is what I want to share with you in this my first video, that you don't need to stay in that rut. You don't need to stay in that old channel and be stuck there. Leave that channel or delete it. Go and start a new channel. Create a new channel and find out your niche, where you belong. Find out that sector you belong, where you can function effectively, and then start creating your videos. That is the next topic. How to start your own channel and then what to do. So thank you very much. If you are just joining, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.